Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and organize your emails with folders. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Outlook. Click on the first link and make sure that you are logged in into your account. If you don't know how to make an account or log in, I've already made a video on that. So you can simply go ahead and check that out and get back to this one. Now, if you like things organized, keeping work emails separately, your personal mails separately, or maybe your receipts separately on the mail that you use for office itself. So this is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So for example, let me show you. So as you can see, there's one mail in my Outlook by Outlook team. So for example, all I need to do is just select that mail and now click on move to, and if there is no folders yet, just click on create a new folder and just write a name. So for example, this is by Outlook, so I'm just going to write Outlook and click on save, and as you can see on the left, it's going to make a folder that is going to go ahead and have the Outlook mail. If I go to inbox, as you can see, there's no mail. Now it's already moved to Outlook. So future Outlook mails will simply go here, or if it doesn't, I'll just move it to there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.